Welcome to math class. Welcome students. And today we are going to read more about congruent triangles, okay? And in this congruent triangles one, the main 2 points, okay, we'll read about today's class. The triangles, the given triangles will be given already congruent, okay? If the triangles are congruent, if the triangles are congruent, I am again repeating, if the triangles are congruent and their corresponding sides will be equal. One point is that. Another one is if the triangles are congruent, the corresponding angles also will be equal. These 2 points you have to keep in mind. Once again I repeat, if the triangles are congruent, their corresponding sides will be equal, and if the triangles are congruent, their corresponding angles also will be equal. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am asking to Preeti. Preeti, you tell.
Yes, sir.
I just told two statements. What are those two statements that I told you?
If the triangles are congruent, their corresponding angle and side will be equal.
Good, very good. You told both the points together in one point, right? Both points you told in together.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Congruency of triangles. This is day 3. We'll have one more day on this topic. In this question, look here. In this question, you please look carefully. Look carefully. These two triangles are given already congruent. They are given already congruent. By which axiom, that is also not given, okay? Just only telling there, these two triangles are given congruent. Are you listening my sound, children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now look here. What I had told you just here. One time you have to use that their corresponding sides will be equal, and when you use that property, then you have to find out unknown values of the sides one. Look, to find out the corresponding side, as I told you in previous class, we have to look equal angle. Look, what is the equal angle of A in the next triangle?
D.
You are absolutely right. Angle A and angle D are equal, right? Similarly, angle B and angle E are equal. Then we have to, when we find the corresponding side, what is the corresponding side of BC?
BC
BC
means
is
FE. FE.
FE.
Yes.
Very good, very good.
FE.
EF or F is same. FE and EF are same because angle A opposite is BC, angle D opposite is EF. That's why they are equal. Then make them equal, then you change the side, you can easily solve the equation, right? 3 goes to divide, then value of x, what will be the value of x here?
Value of X will be
Sir, 2.5.
You are absolute. Divide 7.5 by 3, then its answer will become 2.5.
yes,
2.5
sir.
is not
2.5.
2.5.
2.5 is not written there, you write there, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
And
sir.
same way, can you tell what what is the next one? Look here. What is the corresponding side of AC? AC is at the
yes, sir.
Yes,
AC is
sir.
F because AC is opposite to which angle? B. Angle B. Angle B is equal with which angle? Angle E.
Angle E.
Angle B opposite side is AC. Angle E opposite side is DF.
FD or
Right? That is already shown here. Then these two things are shown here. Okay, you divide and write answer. Its answer will be 2.5 and its answer will be what?
2.5.
9.4 divided by 2, what will be?
4.7.
4.7 will be the answer.
4.7. You are right. Here will be 4.7, here will be 2.5. Are you clear about this question, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please write it 2.5 and write it 4.7. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Can I move to next slide or you want to write this?
So you can move.
Want to write?
Okay, you can take a screenshot also.
Yes, sir. You can move.
Okay, now look here. This this is also same. This is also same. Can you tell what is the equal angle of A here in with this triangle? Next one. Equal angle of A.
Angle
M.
M.
Angle
M.
M.
Good.
M.
Opposite of A is what there? Which side?
CB. BC
CB
or
or BC?
BC.
BC. And what is the opposite of angle M?
ON or
NO.
NO.
NO or ON?
NO.
We can make them equal or not?
Yes, sir. We can move.
Yes,
Why?
sir.
Why? Do you know why?
Corresponding sides of congruent angles are equal.
Very good. Very
Equal.
good. Corresponding sides of congruent.
Triangles are
Corresponding
equal.
sides of congruent
Triangles are equal.
triangles are equal.
Triangles are equal.
Corresponding sides of congruent triangles are equal. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Sir, why NO not MO?
Which one? Look
Sir,
here now.
here.
Angle is equal with A. Angle A is which equal with which angle here? M. Right?
Yes, sir.
And what is opposite to angle A here? Which side is opposite to angle A? BC.
BC.
And which side is opposite to angle M?
NO.
No, that's why. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Opposite sides of equal angles are called corresponding sides. And corresponding sides are equal of congruent triangles. Opposite sides of equal angles are corresponding sides, and those corresponding sides are equal of congruent triangles. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Why AC is equal to MO? AC is opposite to which angle here? AC is opposite to which angle?
B
Angle B.
angle.
And
Angle B.
what is
And MO is
MO is opposite to an angle. And angle N and angle B are equal. Angle N and angle B are equal, and their opposite sides will be equal. Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the remaining angle here? C.
E.
C.
C angle is equal with which angle then now?
Angle O.
And do you know or not? If two angles are equal in two triangles, okay, if two angles are equal in two triangles, remaining angle will be automatically equal. Do you know or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So remember that if two angles are equal of two triangles, their remaining angle will be automatically equal. That's why
Yes, sir.
angle C will be automatically equal with
Angle O.
angle O. What is opposite side of angle C?
Angle side AB.
Side AB.
Yeah, side AB. What is opposite side of angle O?
Side MN.
Side
Very good.
MN.
They are equal. It is shown on the right side. Look there. And solve it. We already found the value of x also, y also. Then we can find out easily the value of
A.
A. Are you clear, children, about this question?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If you are not clear, please ask me the question where you are not clear. Where you are not clear.
So clear.
Sir, clear.
And you can write down also, you can note down also. Okay? If you have difficulties.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Now let's go for the classwork. Let's do. Let's do this classwork. Can you tell what is the corresponding angle of A?
Corresponding angle of
A is F.
E.
F.
No. Corresponding angle of A
E
is
is Y. Sorry, Y.
corresponding angle of A is angle D.
D. Sir, D.
D,
Y.
D, D.
Angle D. Look there. Look there
Yes,
clearly.
sir. 45
Corresponding
and
angle of A is
D.
angle
D.
D. And corresponding angle of F is
Sir, F is
Sir,
angle
C.
C.
Angle
angle
C.
C. Good. Then what is the value of Y? Can you tell?
Sir, 45
value
degrees.
of 45.
45 degrees. Yes. Very good,
45
Mr.
degrees.
Chaudhary. Mr. Chaudhary is telling very nicely.
Sir, I was telling.
Yeah,
Yes,
la-
sir.
X. X is 35 and Y is
45.
45.
45.
45.
45.
Good. What is the opposite side of 100 degree?
So,
100. 2A.
Angle. No,
No,
2A.
I am telling side. Opposite
Side,
side
yes,
of
2A.
100 degrees to A. Opposite side, another one. Opposite side of 100 degrees, 6
E,
centimeters.
6
centimeter.
centimeters.
6
Are they
centimeter.
equal or not? Are they equal or not?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Why they are equal?
Correct.
Can you tell? Why they are equal? Because they are the corresponding sides.
Corresponding.
They are the corresponding
Side of-
sides of congruent triangles. That's why AC is equal to DF. AC is equal to
Sir, answer
DF.
will come
A equals to what will come?
3
3.
centimeter.
I hope
Three.
you have done this all now with me.
Yes, sir.
I hope.
Yes, sir.
Have you completed this
3
classwork?
centimeter.
A value is 3 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
A value is 3 centimeter came. Please don't forget to write the region at the side. You have to write the region at the side, okay?
Okay, sir.
We found the value of X, 35.
Yes, sir.
Value of Y,
45.
45.
45. Value of A,
3.
3
3
centimeter.
centimeter. You are absolute right. You are absolute right. But my dear students are not keeping the video on. Okay, only one. That is called maiden. Okay, maiden video on here.
Sir, in classwork, this question only or there is other also?
Are you clear about this classwork or not?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now let's move for the next one. This is for the homework. This is for your assignment. And for that I want to give you clue. I want to give you clue here.
22 number.
This two number I have already taught in my video. Okay, you have already learned it before.
Oh, that we have to separate.
Yeah, separated one, and I have taught you in previous class. Okay, ma'am has kept in this slide also here. Okay, children,
Yes.
don't be worried about this
Yes,
question
sir.
number 2. Question number 2 is already taught in previous class. You just tell me how to do question number I, one number. What is the value of X?
Sir,
X.
value of X is
30 degree.
40
Sir,
degree.
30 degree.
30
30
degree.
degree.
30 degree.
Yes, corresponding.
Sir, and Y
Angles
equals
are
to 60
equal.
degree.
Before that,
And
look
Y
here.
equals-
Before that, you can do like this also, Aditya. You
Yes,
can do
sir.
like this. X plus 90 plus 60 also you can do.
Plus 60.
x plus 90 plus 60 equals to 180. Being
Yes,
sum of
sir.
angles of triangle. Then value of x will come how much?
30 degree.
30
30
degree.
degree.
Yes. In this question also we can do like this. In this question also we can do 45 plus 100 plus x equals to 180 degree. Then x value will come
35 degree.
35 degree.
That also we can show first. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Then,
Okay, sir.
then only you can tell this angle is 35, 35 equal, then this 45 is corresponding with y. Okay.
So we can write x equals to 35
sir.
degree and y equals to 45 degree that by finding.
Yeah, that also you can do.
By reasoning.
You can solve that one. Okay, sum of the angles of triangle also we can do first. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is
Okay,
also
sir.
your method.
Sir, can you show the homework one?
Okay, here. First of all, I told x plus 90 plus 60 is what? 180.
180 degree.
Right? After that, what you have to do?
We have to find the value of
Then, can you tell what will be the value of y? Y will be
y.
Sir,
Will
y
be
will
60
be
degree.
60
60
degree.
degree.
Because y is corresponding to 60 degree. Now, can you
60
tell
degree.
what is opposite to 60 degree here? What is opposite to 60 degree here?
3a plus
3a
2
3a
centimeter.
plus 2. Very good. 60 degree opposite is 3a plus 2. And what is opposite to 60 degree here?
8 centimeter.
8
8
centimeter.
centimeter. Yes. 3a plus 2 will be equal with 8 centimeter.
Sir,
Then
how
what?
to write in language? Can you tell?
What I told just now.
Sir.
First of all, find angle. Okay, 60 degree, 60 degree. Okay. Then
Okay, sir.
DE equals to PQ. In reason give there corresponding angle of congruent triangles. Corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Okay,
Are
children?
equal.
Are equal. Corresponding sides of congruent triangles are equal. Don't forget to write the reason. Okay, Preeti?
Yes, sir.
DE
Sir,
equals
A
to
will be 2
P
centimeter.
equals to PQ. Then CA equals to what will be? 8 minus 2 means 6. A equals to what will come?
Sir,
2.
E is equals to 2
2 by
and 3 is
2.
equals to 6.
A equals to 6 by 3. It will become 2. Value of A will
Yes.
come 2. Value of A
2.
equals to 2. Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
And I know that I know that you can do question number 2 easily.
Yes, sir. We can do it. Sir, in class work
Sir,
also we
can you
have to.
please explain it?
Question number 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, question number 2 I am explaining here. Please look there. Everybody is here, eh? First of all, can you make these two figures separately?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Look here. Suppose look here, eh? I want to show here. If this angle B, suppose there is 10 degree, okay? 10 degree. This 10 degree means this side also. Are you looking my pointer?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
This angle also will be what? 10 degree, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
I am just making you clear. If this is 10 degree, 10 degree. If down one, suppose that 5 degree. 5 degree, this angle is equals to this angle, or this is given in figure. Look here. If this is 5 degree, this will be also 5 degree, no? Right?
Yes, sir.
They are already given equal. This 5 degree one, okay? This 10 degree one also given equal. I am just putting the example 10 degree, okay? And see here,
Okay, sir.
if we add 10 degree and 5 degree, this total angle what will be?
15.
15. Very good. And this also total?
15.
Good. Good. 15. Then when you make the figures separate figure, this angle became 15 degree. This side also separate figure, then this also became 15 degree or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now look here. When you make the separate figure, one is 15 degree, one side is what is there? One side, which one side is common? BC.
BC is common.
BC is common,
BC.
and first figure here will be which angle? Angle B, and second figure this side will be angle B. Look here. Then
Yes,
which
sir.
which exam became tell now?
Angle,
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 side,
angle.
Side angle.
angle, side angle. Very good, very good.
Hmm.
It became angle, side angle. You are absolutely right. According to angle, side angle, these two triangles became congruent.
Sir,
After,
which side will be equal?
sorry,
Sir, which side will be equal to which side?
BC. BC is equal with BC only. If you separate
Oh,
figure,
oh,
BC will be
oh,
equal to
yes,
BC,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then according to which exam these two triangles are congruent?
Yeah, angle, side angle.
Angle, side angle. Okay.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Then after proving them congruent, we have to write their corresponding side and corresponding angle. What is
Only,
what is the corresponding angle of A? Can you tell?
angle corresponding angle D.
Corresponding angle of A.
Angle D.
Angle D. Angle D. Because BC is equal, then its opposite angle is this, no? Corresponding angle
Yes,
of
sir.
A
Angle
is
D.
corresponding D. Now can you tell me what is the corresponding side of AB?
DC
DC.
or CD.
CD or DC? Very
CD.
good, very good, very good. You are correct. Are you clear about this question, children, now?
Sir, and
Yes,
remaining
sir.
side also we have to
Yes,
write.
sir.
Just you
Sir, we
have
have to
to,
write
no,
B is
no.
equals to C
Just,
also.
can you tell what is the corresponding side of AC?
AC it will be
BD.
Very good, very
yeah, BD.
good, very good.
BD.
But what I suggest you, which angles are given equal, write their only opposite side corresponding side, okay?
Sir, no need to
Okay,
write
sir.
remaining side, yes?
Yeah. Now which sides are given equal, their opposite angles will be corresponding angle. Write them only. Which sides are
Okay,
given
sir.
equal, okay? Which sides are given equal, their opposite angles only write corresponding angle, okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear about these questions, children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, clear.
If you have any confusion, you can ask.
No, sir.
Sir, and AC equals to it will be no angle equal to angle C equals
Sir, corresponding angle will be what?
Corresponding angle, for the corresponding angle, you have to for the
Sir,
corresponding angle. Wait. Which side is equal here? BC is equal, no?
Sir,
BC is equal.
yes.
BC is equal with BC only. That's why. What is the angle opposite to BC? Angle A.
Angle.
What is the
angle A
opposite?
and angle D.
Angle D. Corresponding angle to
D.
angle A and angle D only. Okay.
Sir, and side corresponding side
Corresponding side means which is opposite to this angle, tell? Angle C here, one. AB.
AC.
AB
AB.
and
AB is corresponding with
DC.
DC.
DC, and what is the corresponding
AC is
side of
corresponding with
AC? AC is corresponding with
BD.
BD. Are you clear?
BD.
Are you clear, children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Do you have any other queries?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir.
No.
Sir, and it is the axiom of angle side angle, yes, sir?
Angle, side, angle, axiom. You are absolutely right. Okay?
Okay, sir, bye, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay or not?